Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jinwook, CTO and co-founder of Rebellions. Today, I'm going to introduce our Rebel, which is our machine learning hardware software integrated platform for AI as a service era. It's a great honor presenting our company's recent progresses and especially the collaboration effort that we've done with KT in this event. I believe that most of you are not familiar with our company, so let me briefly share who we are first. We are a 2-year-old AI startup devoting to build a new generation AI accelerator and its software stack for the AI as a service era. Yes, it's a fresh young company, but since we are obviously obsessed to deliver the new value to our customer, we are making rapid progresses in the early phase. We've already taped out 2 chips and started expanding various types of collaboration with the future customers from all around the world. From the beginning, we've had a very focused, unique approach to the AI markets. We started to deliver a very sharp, optimized solution to win one market that we understand pretty well, and then want to grow the market gradually based on the first winning experience. The hardware and software solutions we've aced are well suited for latency-critical AI solutions in financial sector, to be more specific, high-frequency trading. Eventually, this latency-centric design is proven to be valuable even for the cloud data center applications, the AI commercial service at scale. Therefore, our company is currently trying to deploy our AI acceleration technology to these applications with reliable and critical partners in each sector. And definitely, I can tell that KT is one of the major collaborators in this field. Before getting into details of our company's hardware and software stacks, let me briefly share what the AI acceleration via hardware solution means. Based on the talk I've seen today from this event, I presumably think that hardware acceleration part are kind of agnostic to your application and services. But it turns out that they are also part of the critical elements of your system. For the given neural network in your service or applications, this part is often uploaded to the hardware accelerator due to the time-consuming nature of neural networks, such as large number of parameters and its associated computations. Conventionally, CPU, GPU have been utilized for the neural net acceleration, but the gain of acceleration are limited to either small-site networks or power-hungry platforms. The recent increase of popularity of large neural networks boosted adoption of AI chip and its server-level integration, and that trend eventually lead to the AI service in the cloud data center. This trend opens up to anyone who wants to have the good performance and functionality of a neural network and the minimized total cost of ownership, or TCO, for their AI services can use the infrastructure available in the cloud. The AI accelerator-based AI service is the one we are really working on. We build AI chip and its software stack for server-level integration. Furthermore, its data center or cloud-level deployment of our chip and software is currently handled with the KT as in bilateral collaboration. In order to maximize these 3 gains of AI acceleration, KT and we are conducting different levels of researches, engineering, and testing all together. From now on, I'd like to introduce our technologies to you one by one. Our first chip developed in the first year of our journey was called Light Trader, which is the extremely low latency trading solution. Because our CEO had a very good experience and insights on the high-frequency trading domain of the Wall Street in the US, we started building an accelerator for HFT solutions, which seemed a meaningful niche market for us. The performance of this chip system was quantified at a benchmark available in the domain, and the outstanding numbers obtained by the advanced feature we put on an AI chip and the FPGA all together. And also, it was fortunate that some of this system could be appreciated by the world-renowned professional communities so that you can actually get a glimpse of this artwork from this year Hot Chips or the next year HBS conference papers. From the last year, we have developed our second AI chip, Atom, which is mainly for data center inference. This energy-efficient system-on-chip for latency-critical AI inference was built via the Samsung 5-nano technology, and this chip will be available from early next year for the selected customers. This chip is designed to replace other inference GPU cards, such as NVIDIA's T4, A2, A10, A5000, as you name it, as well as the training cards in inference applications, which is astonishingly prevalent in data center and server markets. Our chip can be outperforming these cards with sustainable performance and its energy efficiency by a huge margin. For the deployment of this chip to a data center, we're also developing the software stack that has many good features. The software stack is called RebelFlow. It is our preparatory full-stack software suite that includes compiler, ML frameworks, and the orchestration layer for massive inference service system. Like other ML compilers, the RebelFlow includes adaptation layer that conducts quantization, graph modification, etc., as well as the front-end and back-end compiler for our hardware devices. This stack is to enable seamless integration into machine learning frameworks and to not expose the compiler complexity to a programmer. For data center deployment, our runtime support hardware-level virtualization and the profiling and debugging tools always will come as a package. And finally, the Rebel, which integrates the previous hardware and software solution that is developed into one picture, is our full-stack vertical implementation for AI as a service with our partners in data center domain. Once Rebellion has developed our server as an appliance that runs OS with our AI accelerator cards together, then our partner and Rebellion are working together to implement the best orchestrator for the customers so that they can run different programs and applications simultaneously under the virtual machine environment in Rebel. The tool in the container have used multiple layers of software and hardware optimization techniques so that it can manage different inference jobs efficiently, maximizing throughput or latency gain of AI acceleration for the target applications. All right, let me switch the gear a little bit here. From now on, I'd like to introduce how we collaborate with KT to make this AI system in Korea complete and ubiquitous for our customers. As a data center infrastructure and algorithm data provider, KT plays a critical role in the Korean AI apps ecosystem. We Rebellions are responsible for delivering powerful hardware and flexible software platform to its data center, as well as a system management solution, as I introduced in earlier slides. Then our partnership-based service provider jump into the picture and build their applications using our AI acceleration software and hardware environment on KT data center. To make this process happen as little as possible in terms of financial and technology perspective of our customer, Rebellion and KT have had a bilateral collaborations with the different models for the infrastructure development to UX layers. Firstly, KT product service model. Rebellion sketch AI model from AI to XL lab and figure out the best way to map their networks to get most out of our hardware. Once the software stack is prepared and delivered to the internal KT service team, and then their entire end-to-end service application or programs will be running on KT Cloud for the customers. Secondly, national funding-based AI ecosystem building. We are working together to utilize a government project that matches the AI hardware provider and cloud business partner to build an AI ecosystem of Korea. It helps other service companies can utilize our AI-based cloud infrastructure to their product with the minimum hurdles. We are hosting the outside customers who are interested in KT and Rebellion's solutions for the cloud ecosystem together. It seems that as we make more progresses by these two bilateral projects, the experience and insights we've acquired from the journey reinforce the completeness of our ecosystem. We believe that this mutual beneficial relationship can be much appreciated for our future customers as well. So this is all I have for today. Thank you for your attention. I really hope to see you guys in our AI ecosystem with the KT soon. Thank you very much.